For ours, we have one new M-pox case that has been confirmed. That is in Mombasa County. And this brings the total number of M-pox cases to 29. The recoveries are 18 out of the 29 and the admissions are 10. So we still have people who are in hospital and have not recovered. Our National Public Health Lab has received a total number of 328 samples, and out of this, the 8.8% represents the 29 that have been taken as positive. I know we have had one death earlier, and the total contacts that have been listed have been able to screen 15,865 travelers, because we must have everybody screened at the border, and especially during this Christmas season, because of the influx of people from our neighboring countries. It is important to get screened before you go outside the border or when you're coming back from any other country. This is to ensure that we do not contract this disease. Remember, this disease is passed on from one person to the other through contact, body contact. Therefore, it is important that you avoid sharing personal items like clothes or bathing towels. It is important to note that the people who are getting this disease mostly probably, and if you look at the counties that have this disease, are actually along the highways because of the long distance truck drivers, sometimes coming from different countries and coming through Kenya. So it is important, if you know of anybody who has contracted this disease, it is important for them to equally isolate so that we do not spread it to the rest of the. Equally, this festive season, the very best gift that you can do to your family or friends is to ensure that they register to the Social Health Authority. This is because should we pass the mark for prevention and we are not able to prevent this disease, you have a backup. You can go to the hospital, you can go to a health facility and be treated at any given time. Therefore, we want to encourage everybody during this season to ensure you register yourself. Before the children open school, let each of that child, their parents should be registered so that they are not, they benefit from the services that are being offered by the Social Health Authority. Remember, your child is going to benefit from the household registration that is going to be done as a family or per household. Equally, I want to reiterate to our dear doctor interns that we love them very much, and we really would want to adhere to the court ruling that was done, that we have been given 90 days to ensure that we have our consultation, and this period we will use it to ensure that we have the best conversations moving forward, so that we do not have industrial action taking place in this country, and especially during this period of the Christmas season.